Good evening. It's February 20 already. Today we are going to have a look at Fluent UI. Let's see if that's something that we can use in the context of Blazor .NET 8. Let's start the show. Not sure how I'm able to do it, but I'm always a little bit over time. Let's say good evening in the chat. Where's my mouse? All these screens. Good evening. There we are. Let's move to the code window. And have a look at Fluent UI-Blazor.net, I think. That's the demo page for Fluent UI. All things you can do with Fluent UI. What's new? A lot of things are new. Upgrade guide. I'm not upgrading. Code setup. The easiest way to get started is using the templates. These mimic regular Blazor templates and come with the design and components pre-configured. You can install them with this command, .NET new install. Easiest way to use templates, these templates. Part of the NuGet package. Let's try doing this. Copy. Terminal. .NET new install Microsoft Fluent ASP.NET Core templates. Okay, we have Fluent Blazor Web App and Fluent Blazor Web Assembly standalone app. Let's go for the web app today. .NET. Let's go to repos. Now data. Repos. Make directory 2024 0220. CD 2024 0220. And that's empty, obviously. .NET. New Fluent Blazor. That's the web app. Output and then the project name. Test Fluent. Blazor. tests, Fluent Blazor. There's a solution. There we are. Starting? Yes? No? There it is. While this is loading, let's go back to here and have a quick look. Uninstall templates. This is the logo, I think. Nuget, the SOAR project website. It's basically GitHub. Exact same thing. Download package. Solution Explorer. Components, pages and layout. Use anti-forgery. I wonder how this relates to the server application. I think this one is added. Build the services, add Fluent UI components. Let's first run this and see how this looks. F5. And this is giving an error. Checking my chat, see if it's going to YouTube as well. Build errors and run the last successful build. No. I wonder why the demo project immediately gives some errors here. Are you missing assembly reference? No update, so that should be good. So it's definitely in the application. Forecasts. Something's not right with the formatting, is what I see. That's the forecast. Something is with this page, is what I feel. Is working. This one is okay. That's okay. This one is okay. Only this one is not right. Type of namespace pages does not exist in the Blazor test Fluent Blazor components. What did it say? Type or page name namespace pages does not exist in namespace components. The pages are coming from this one. Page. There's page. This page is rendered as server-side rendering. So the Fluent DataGrid component does not offer any interactivity. Let's copy that in a notepad for now. That runs. Copy. Still okay. Should be good. Copy. That's good. Bring in some code here. No. It's a JavaScript notation. Private. I query all. Let's put this to the side here. No, not that side. Queryable weather forecast. I think that's missing. No, the weather forecast is part of the class. Copy. Like so. Still works. Now bring back a little bit of the code here. That's still working. That's not working. Else. Yeah. Text override. Let's see if we can bring that in without issues. I think we can. Still builds. So the final part, this one, Fluent DataGrid. ID is WeatherGrid. WeatherGrid. Type of command of Fluent DataGrid can not be inferred based on the values provided. Consider specifying the type argument directly following attribute dgrid item. Select items. Let's see variable forecasts. Then grid template columns. Dgrid item. That's weather forecast. Yeah, still works. Property column. Yep. Copy, paste, paste, paste. I think we have 4 of them. Yeah. Title. I should do like title, property, and align. Title, property, and align. Title equals to something property and align. Align start, align center, and align end. So let's do align start. Property see date. Oh, not there. See bang date. And title, in this case, date. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Now we have 4. We have temperature C. We have temperature F, I think. And we have summary. And the title should be summary. Temp F. Copy. Temp C. Date's already right. By queryable, then the override. And then the weather forecast is already in there. So this should work. So I'm not sure why it's not working out of the box, because it's exactly the same thing. F5. So we have the header there, we have the footer. Yeah, it's pointing to the documentation. Let's see what happens if we make this smaller. That moves the hamburger to over there. This is the smallest that can do. It's expanding the menu in the width. So let's see how I did the menu in my own website. Software is software. What's in the information in here? Offset in task pane React. Why is my audio clipping? I don't know. Fix high security vulnerability. Interesting. Thank you for your pull request. Maui generated PDF sample. That's the I think the new video for Gerald Versluis for the Maui thing. I think my audio is clipping. Let me know in the chat if the audio is working properly. I was going to my own website here, because if I go in here, soft as in software.com, there's a little bit different menu here. I did put that in the header. Basically in this one. Now the hamburger is over there as well. Go in here, then goat clone. Git clone. Oh, it's already in the command there. CD softest in software. CD softest in software. Best solution. Softest software solution. Oh, there. If we look at the other project here, let's stop this one for now. We don't want the news, that's what I think. No news today. Where's the layout, navigation, main layout there? We have the location layout here. Component base, same thing. There we have footer. Here's a footer. So if we do something like this, copy. Replace that. Do we have a link in here? No. And we do have some code, I think. In here. Copy. This Blazor thingy, Blazor UI thing is also in somewhere else. I'm not sure if that's in my own project. It is. Oh, it's in index. In the new version, we don't have the index file anymore. It's the exact same thing. I want to copy code in here. Copy. Five. Now we have something over there, but the style is not correct. And I also have too much information in here. Save. Let's put some styling. It doesn't have the Bootstrap, I think. Index. Here we have Blazor WebAssembly. Here's Bootstrap. Where's the my own website? Is it closed? There's the image on top. So where do we put styling these days? Test, 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 test. Why is this my microphone not sounding properly? Tja. Tja. Hello? Hello? I think that sounds better like so. I think I had it on my speaker. Let's try to find main layout. There's a Bootstrap in there. It's not. today of the Blazor framework. And we used web, so this is the server rendering. And this one is using WebAssembly. NuGet packages. Bootstrap. This is a client side libraries. It's not in here. Come on. Got it. Good evening. Mojo for what? Bootstrap. Via CDN. Really, my audio is really clipping. Clip. How are you? No office heading today. Now I'm looking today at Fluent UI. The goal is to eventually put that in the office settings, but that will be on Thursday. I will continue with the office settings. So this is more about Blazor. And especially for today, the Blazor Fluent UI components. That's basically the design thing for Microsoft. Fluent Microsoft. Well, let's make that Microsoft.design. This is basically what they also use with in the Microsoft environment, Fluent Design System. But these ones are based for on like React and things like that. But if you go to GitHub, they also have a repo especially for Blazor. And that's what we are looking at today. Interesting is that it doesn't work out of the box because apparently there's an issue with that. Fluent card. Nice. Okay. So we are going to have a look at some of these things. Where were we? Oh, yeah, I was trying to see if I could get some Bootstrap in here as well. 3.35, 3.3. What's the difference? The link or the script? Which one do I use in here? Here. I use the That's something different. That's the CSS thing. .3, that's an old one. I wonder how did I put that in here? Did I use the CDN? Library manager. No, but it's not including Bootstrap. Feels like they already had Bootstrap from the template. Blazor, local storage, frameworks, .NET. Looks like only the CSS is in here. I still need to switch to Blazor add-ins. Booble. What is Booble? Blazor and Google. Google. And I was looking for Blazor. Not Blazor, Bootstrap. CSS. I think that's basically in the template if you create a new one. Google add Blazor, not Bootstrap, CSS to .NET 8 Blazor application. To use Bootstrap in the Blazor application, you can right-click the right and then add client-side library. So why is it not showing in here then? That's what I expected. See, Blazor Visual Studio sample missing Bootstrap JS. So let's go into, where's the application there? What it said here is right-click root. Then client side, it's nothing. It's in here, client side libraries. Let's open this. Yeah, restart. Yeah, restart. Come on. Now let's reload the page. Doesn't help, it's already in there. Add client-side library. Okay. Add. Oh, and it's running, so it's not working. Add client-side library. That's dropping off your screen, I guess. Client-side library. Bootstrap. Oh, Bootstrap. 533. That's a lot. Do we need all of this? Where's the page? No. Where did it go? Oh. Let's clean some things here. Well, let's just include them all for now. Save and sorry. So that's interesting because this is not in my website, but it's, I still use that. Only the minimum CSS. Client side, where is it? There. Bootstrap. Add 533. Use specific files. And I'm using Bootstrap min CSS map. This one. That's all. Do I also use this one? That's not in there. Let's build it, see what we get. The style is still not right because I did not put the CSS in the index. What's this one? Bootstrap? Yeah, that's the CSS file. The index file here. Copy. Where's that in the other application? Stop this. Which editor is this one? This one? Visual Studio. Like help about Visual Studio. 1790, so that's the preview version, I think. Where did they put the index information these days? I think in here somewhere. Or should it be in app.razor, maybe here? Yeah. Save. F5. It's still not doing the styling over here. That's the layout page. Where is it? Main layout. Do we have a reference to that? Open iconic, but that's a font. That's just a font. There's a style sheet. This one. I'm not sure why this is not adopting the style sheet. Google. D flags for not for Bootstrap, but for Fluent UI. Fluent UI. That's not it, I think. React flags. Maybe it has its own layout things. Footer. Stack. Flex start. Okay. That's that one. We don't use the grid in here, I think. So what if we do remove all the Blazor, the Bootstrap stuff, and make that Fluent Grid item. Fluent Grid. To make it a little bit readable. Fluent Grid, that's this one. Fluent Grid. And we have Fluent Grid items. We have like 2 of those. The one has the trademark. The other one has the powered by description. How did I use that in my website? Trademark. Like here. Where's the website? I don't have it open anymore. Soft testing software. Where's my footer in here? There. Oh, it's on separate rows, 2 rows. Let's first have a look what the grid item is doing there by default. Still not much. Where's the styling for that thing? Layout. Grid. Where's another main layout? Main layout component offers framework for layout. Layout. Something. Test. I'm not sure why my microphone is clipping all the time. Clip. Peak. Tja. I don't know. Back to the layout. Here. It's just a main layout, nothing else. We have a grid, another layout. Fluent stack. That's this one. That's in a div, that's not in a row. Center. So that's horizontally. So horizontally we need center. We have two divs. And then another stack. With two other items. That's this one. The grid should also have something like an align in here. Justification. Justify. There. Options are there, center. Why does center not exist? Center? No. Oh. Justify content. This one. Okay. 5. And it's still not centered. Why is it not centered? It's doing something with E. Forcing it in a different layout. There's no justify on the footer. Oh. Come on. What's happening here? What? Raid, let's go. Who's raiding? Try something dev is raiding with party 4. Thanks, welcome. What's my editor doing here? It's completely off track. Thanks for following. My mouse is doing some strange things here. Thanks for the rate and follow. I like Oreos 16. I like Oreos too. And try something dev. I'll look up your streams after this one. First I need to try to find why my mouse is not working anymore. It's completely doing nothing anymore. Yeah. The keyboard's not working properly anymore. Justify. I think I need to close the browser or the environment. Save that. Why is it doing this? What are you working on today? I'm trying to get the Blazor Fluent UI in my audio is still clipping for some reason. I don't know why. Everything is failing today. What I'm looking at is this. Basically the Fluent UI Blazor Components library. They already had some for React, but there's also one for Blazor right now. But my dev environment, my IDE is completely failing at this time. I spent a number of 100 hours in Blazor, being a good system for me. Did you use the Blazor 8 version or there's like the older one, like 6 or something? In general, my Blazor developments, I'm doing that in Office add-ins. But today I'm looking at the layout a little bit. Let's try F5 again, see what's happening. Oop. Yeah, the weather one is the one that I'm doing something with. This is still working. But I'm trying to get the same footer in here as in my own website, something like this. But it's not really doing the thing that I want to do. Because it's not doing the right thing there. Let's close that. Fluent UI library is basically the base of everything that's used in Windows 11. Like so, and it's multi-platform. Content design. You also have things like emojis and things in here. Shapes. Let's get back to the Visual Studio. See why this is stopped working. I think it's working again. But still my layout is not working because I have the Fluent Grid here and Fluent Grid item, 2 Fluent Grid items. Thank you for following JT Gaming 92. let's see if I can get the Fluent Grid working. Yay! Fluent Grid item. Why is the Fluent Grid item not working in the footer here? Footer. We have a child component, render fragment, but the render fragment should be something, because this is that's just a footer text. You should be able to put some things in there. Going to lurk mode. Thanks for visiting, stepping by, and thanks for the raid. Hopefully my mic will do it better next time. Hello. I think I need to adjust my audio levels properly. Oh, maybe it's just my headset. Oh, that might be the case. Because I have a loose connector on my headset. Just one moment. I think it's my the plug on my headset. So I'm using now the grid in here, so it should be something like this. Center. This is the selector, that's basically this thing. Then we have the Fluent Grid there. Spacing, justification. It's basically set on this set in here. If you switch justification. It looks like it's doing this on the full grid. And that's this one. So it should be working. Let's see if I take this out. Put that aside quickly and then test. Save. F5. And it's still not centered. Why is it centered? Is it horizontally, vertical centered? It's switching if we do things like so. Flag start. So it must be a horizontal thing, but it's not doing that. What is it doing in here? Fluent Grid item. Oh, it's a class, a card class in between. Copy. Let's put a card in here. Let's rebuild it. Still not doing that. It's annoying that it's not doing that. It's also the top there. Same thing here. There's not much on there. It's not used by many people, I think. It's in Japan. Aligning items in flex container. I'm trying to use the fluid thing instead. Because the only one moving is the last one, the X3, I think. That's this one. This is showing everything right aligned. Flex end. Grid item. Copy. Oh. Where did it go? Copy. Paste. 5. Oh. Should do a hot reload, but I'm not sure if that's working. And still not doing things there. Let's have a look at this thingy there. Footer. Something there. And there. And there. And a little bit there. There's the header, there's a stack. There's the body. Not sure why it's not working. I think it's a bug in the system. Oh, there it is. Now it's working. That's interesting. But what if we put that in the footer and header again? Save 5. Now it is in here. Center. Now it's centered, that's right. Still there's this thingy there and this thingy there. Fluent grid, that's a complete grid. Oh, this is a header thing. See background color. Let's remove that. I only want the center in there. Minimum width 200 pixels. And we have at the end, we put some setup and documentation buttons. Test. Maybe the grid item always needs some child component. Now it's working. Why is it now it's working and just before it was not working? Maybe I had a typo in there, I don't know. Oh, it's Fluent header. I don't want the header. I want the footer. And now it's the same again. So it's not working for the... It is working for the header, but not for the footer. That's quite annoying. working. Feels like the system's a little bit buggy. Because now we have the footer there and the test is in there. Let's put it justify. See, that's not working. If the exact same thing in there. This is not production ready library. This is December, that's not long ago. Point of Blazor UI component libraries that we shouldn't have to touch JavaScript and CSS very much, but when you remove the Fluent footer from the main layout, there's dead space on the bottom because the CSS file that comes with the project template has hard-coded width of -96 pixel. Oh, really? Please go redo your work with another library. That's a really bad response from VMBuy. That's a Microsoft guy, actually. I'm not giving you a pass for ranting like this. It's not appreciated and does not blah blah blah. But he has a valid point. I know it's work in progress, but he actually has some sort of point here. Microsoft Fluent UI provides a set of Blazor components. Some components are wrappers. Blah blah blah. You said you looked at the conference talk. A few clients in production with the library. This has become my go-to library. Yeah, I need to tweak things here and there, but so what? Okay. But Blazor's in Fusion, Bootstrap, etc. With Blazor, all libraries will have a bug every now and then. Closed is not planned. That's good. Must contain footer, production ready, that's the same thing. Design tokens, is using this footer for some reason. Maybe that's the reason. If I go to GitHub and have a look at the source code from that thing, lots of issues there. Closed. Dynamic positioning, high navigation with a lot of items does not work. Not production ready. Main content does not stretch to the bottom with removed footer. Fix add documentation on how to set post. That's not related. What's the issue in where's the issue? Footer with style class parameters do not get applied. That's what I also found somehow. See, that's the same thing, same issue. So what does he do here? This is what I get when changing it in the demo site locally. Tested with Blazor and was on Blazor server. Fluent footer style, background color red. No. He used a semicolon at the end. Style. Dev works, main doesn't. Looks like it was fixed in dev. It's a class footer in there. Change from string style value equals to new style builder, then style build. Let's see if it's working on my version here. Where is it? Copy. Rerun this. There's again, but now the alignment is different. Now it's not aligned anymore. horizontal, center it. Text line. What did I do? Let's remove the header again, because the header apparently is working. Five. There, the align is still not working, so something is off in the styling with this thing. No. Color styling is working, but it's also not properly aligning there. So I'm not too happy about this layout of this thing. Where's the API not working? What? Huh? F5. Error 404. I think this is from the index file, so the Bootstrap is also not loading. Is it? CSS Bootstrap in. I think that's included in app. This one. That's not resolved. Create a class list. This one. It's not resolving the style sheet. There's the footer, by the way. Should automatically get center. Okay. Bootstrap. That's Bootstrap CSS. Where is the thing there? No, not app. This one. Bootstrap. Should be the other way around. Something like that. There's the thing again. Okay. Did I include the wrong file there? Stop that. Add client side thingy there. Bootstrap. Strap 533. This one did I put in the other project here? There's some. Oh, there's the CSS. And CSS map. these two, I think. Target location. Bootstrap. Oh, why did I put all these other things in? Let's go to here again. Don't want to complete thingy there. Add client libraries. Bootstrap. .533 specific files. And we pick only these two. Now this should be Bootstrap CSS. Let's run this. Now it was loading properly. It looks better. Okay. Maybe that was also killing my footer, I don't know. Let's close a couple of things. Close all. Now go to here. Fluent footer. Test. Save. 5. Bring it over there. Center. Capital is if it's picking it up for fluent footer style, optional inline styles. Okay. So these are the inline styles, Blazor directives. What's this red thing? Angular. Five. Oh, stop this. Run it again. Still not centering. I have a bug on my screen. creating its own tag in there, bv3. Footer. Oh, come on. Accidentally clicking on it. Footer. Class footer. Header gets the header class. Footer. Okay. Let's go to the other thing. Where is it? There. Let's see if we can add some flex in there. Since this is also a footer thing. Now it's doing it. Right. So it actually is considered to be a footer item. Still don't know why it's not setting to the, yeah, if it's full, even if it's full page, it's not still scrolling. Hi, Sleepy Ray. Is this one also? Yeah, this one doesn't have the sticky footer. I think the size is a little bit too much. Also, if I remove the row there. Sleepy Ray's on YouTube. So if you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. Ding. See, that was the issue. It's only sufficient for one row apparently. See, if it's only one row, then it actually fits. So what if I resize the height of the footer? My navigation and a lot of items are not working together. No, I agree. This simple CSS thing has nothing to do with library. Add flex1 main. He's complaining here as well that if you have this size fixed to minus 96 or something here, bootstrap, strap, footer, height, yeah, a typo. Sticky footer with variable height. Let's see, because I changed the footer a little bit for mine as well, I think. Oh no, because I don't use the sticky. Footer, position. Style equals something like this. Oh, this is mine. And now I'm messing with my own thing. This one. Reload. You know, it's a big one, but it's not set for the body to shrink with the size of the footer. Powered by .NET 8.0.2. Why Blazor? Why not? The benefit of Blazor is basically that it's the Microsoft web framework, allowing you to develop your things in C# instead of JavaScript. So if you are if you are a .NET developer, it should be much easier to do. That said, it's only the case if the framework is actually doing what it's supposed to do. Oh, that's the wrong button. Run it again. That's bold, is it? Yeah. Powered by reload. How's this styled in here? This should be on the website. Not so much dependencies, should be a root, app CSS there, and then we have a footer in there. That's the footer area thingy. Do we have? Yeah, we also have an app CSS in here. And we have a footer thing there as well. Interesting, that's already showing that as centered. Reload, see what it's doing with my footer now. Yes. There it is. Now I need to remove the height of the thing in here. This should now look the same as we have somewhere over here. Where is it? Like this. Oh. Where's the other one? How's that? Let's clean it up a little bit here. Keep the styles for now. There it is. The font size is a little bit different. see if it's the same style. Oh. Yeah, font size is different. Let's have a look at the cards in here. Themes. Store name. So apparently all these items within the Fluent UI thing are themed. Project templates. These are the templates. Still wondering why this is not working. Just as the standard Blazor web app, Blazor will server-side rendering by default. If you have interactive components, make sure that you add a random mode to the page. Still, this one is giving an 404. Weather. So the page weather does not exist. This one. Weather. That's the root, error page and a counter. And the menu, where's the menu? Here. It's going to weather. That's the page. Copy. Oh, it's missing the @ sign. That's a buggy. Save that. F5. That should resolve it. I reload it. Counter. It's working. Weather. That's now working. Oh. Sweltering. It's -10 Celsius or 15 Fahrenheit. That's sweltering. Okay. So what you see in here is that's also using these icons. That's also part of what is it still in here. It's a fake delay in there to show that it's actually loading. I'm not yet convinced to rewrite my application, this one, although the icons are kind of nice. So if you have the home button that's in here, thingy like that, you go to the source of that, and have menu, there should be something like the icons home. If you go to documentation and we go to icons, components, where are the icons? Here. Home. If like the home thing. Here, size 20, regular, but you can also pick the filled ones, like I have on this one. These are filled. So if I select this one, copy that, go in here. So that's actually icons filled to size 20 home. Icons filled size 20. So if I make this all filled, copy, do the same for the other ones. What's the size option? That's a big one. Let's pick something in the middle. 32. 32. 32. And 32. Why is it getting squiggly? Is there no 32 for that one? Is the max. That's annoying that there's not all available with the same size. Keep this in there. Let's see what's happening there. Oh, this one. Reload. There's the little thingy. You see that this one is bigger, but they are now all filled. So these are the only ones with the big size. 32, 28. There must be more. Let's see. Number, symbol, square, copy. It's only 2. Weather. That has 4. That's 48. We have the home thing was 48, I think. Yeah. Navigation. Also has a big one. Well, that's a different one. Unread, play, location, navigation. That's maximum 24. would expect every icon to have the same sizes, but it's apparently not the case. Interesting, because they all look... This one doesn't look smaller or bigger than the other one. Doesn't feel to me that this is bigger than the other one. Ten apparently is not there. 12 is in there. It's a little bit bigger now. Although I feel that the number symbol's not that much bigger there. Now they are all the same. Now let's have another look at the... Should be emojis. Here, emoji. For this, you need the package, I think, for... Stop this first. For the Fluent emoji, we need to put something in the NuGet package, I think. NuGet packages. Where is NuGet packages? Here. Fluent UI. Let's browse. Emoji. Yeah. We don't want fast, but we want Fluent UI. That's this one. Blazor Web Library for the official Fluent. What's the difference between this one and that one? This is the newer version. Install. Yeah. Namespace emojis not found. Well, they are now. 5. So how cool is that? Flags. Color. Default. Oh, we don't have that many flags here. Pirate flag, there it is. Is there also a browser for these emojis? Here. Netherlands. Flag. There's only a couple of flags, not every flag is in there. So it's kind of limited if you look at that. You can change the sizes apparently. Copy. That's not working. Why is it not working? Oh. There. Oh, it should be between quotes. Yes, missing quotes. There. Oh, one too many. Save. Rerun. Now it's a big flag. That's nice. What was the other thing in here? With a flipper, dialog. I like the dialog things, so if let's have a look at the card as well. Here, cards. Fluent cards. Copy. Let's see, this card 300 by 300, card restricted area. I think we had some, because the person is not there. Fluent select, remove that. There. Save. Reload. There's a nice card. So if we put something like an icon in there, an emoji. And we align that to class equals to Let's see if that's adopted. Yeah, it should not be on the emoji. It should be on the card. Where is it? I think it's failing. It's doing something weird here. Because the center doesn't make much sense if you put it on the emoji only. So we put this on the other one, on the card itself. Five. Oh, it's that's a little bit different because we don't have rows in here now. And then should this be class equals row? Let's see if we can put that on something as the paragraph and the label as well. And we don't have the for thingy there. So we don't have a list box here. For now, that is. Oh. Still not completely working. If we put this in a grid. Main layout. We can do something like this. Copy. Put everything in their own divider. Come on. It's locking my system again. Why does it say new emoji on default accordion to markup x80 pixels? Ambulance. Why is that to markup? There's a bug on my screen again. Save, then reload, F5. Let's see if that's working. No. Why is it still not doing this? Pointer. Let's That's a paragraph. That's one paragraph. Label. So you do have 3 items there, but they are not recognized as rows. Well, never mind for now. No. It's locking my system again. Come on. Yeah, there it comes. I think because it's trying to hot reload the changes. I don't want that. Come on. You can do it. Today. Yeah, there we are again. Save. 5. So if you put this in a stack. No. Copy. Paste. And another one to terminate it. We put another card in there. Copy. Paste. Oh, that's not. Yeah, it is. Separate these things. Area restricted. What's the difference between the other one? This one is area restricted is false. Doesn't matter. It's not putting that side by side, while the other one is doing a for thingy, and then for each of these things adding a person. That's card 400. This one has the card without height set. What does the area restricted do? By default, the card. Let's see. By default, the card restricts itself to content to the card area. This means, for example, there's a typo in there. That if you select a list with a lot of items, the list will be cut off at the bottom. This will show the complete one, and this one is restricted to the area within the card. Yeah. Okay. I think we're about to wrap this up. Let's do a final run of this. So this one is now a lot wider, but it's not sure why it's on the same row. Is 400. Because if you have no width specified, so why is it?
Hello, world.
No, I don't want to read it.
Fluent Blazor app.
I want to know why the second one is limited to just this area. Because it's delimited by this. Okay. Okay, so my conclusion basically is that it's not really complete, because if you want to have things like flags, not every flag is in there. There's a lot of emojis in there, but not all, apparently. You can do things like breadcrumbs. And I'm pretty sure this is a lot of work if you put a calendar in there. That's not easy if you want to do that, especially if this is localized. Let's go to the French one. Where's the French one? This one. This has the day format, globalization, info, France. So if I copy this, bring this in here, I'm pretty sure this can save you a lot of time using this framework. But day format 2 digits, and use the culture info for my country, NL-NL. Save that, then rerun this. That's giving the Dutch calendar, February, Maart. Oh, the buttons are apparently not working. It's even worse, nothing is working with this thing. It's just showing the calendar of today. So this is just displayed as a today information thing. It's not interactive right now. It's read only with the Dutch culture. But do you have more like flippers? We have things like accordions, anchors, badges. These things are kind of nice because I also use that in my website in here. Like upcoming, that's also a badge, but I think this is pure Blazor, not Blazor, Bootstrap. And this is the one that we are looking at streaming right now. Go to YouTube there. Let's quickly try audio. Accept all. Sorry, let's quickly. Oops. Oh, stop it. Yeah, we are currently still live. Good, that's working. So overall, I think it's a nice system, but yeah, there are some ups and downs on this. I think I kind of like the things, the wizard. That's a nice thing. A lot of work saves by the 3 items in like this one. Tooltips, toolbars, and things they are working on, like the markdown section for if you want to have text in markdown. It's a table of contents. That's this one, I think. This one. Multi-splitter, key code. Click here and press any key. That's a key. Digit 4. Yeah. Interesting overview. Yeah, this is the overview of the lab things coming up. Issue tester. Okay. Good, let's wrap this up. It's 11:45 over here. I have to get up early tomorrow again. Let's go to the main window there. So what have we been watching today? Today we have been watching the Fluent UI, the Blazor version of that. I think I might pick some of these items up to maybe to build a new website, just to test it out. Just like the demo website, but then it's also in a progress thing. Oh, I'm not sharing the screen anymore. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, if you're on YouTube, please subscribe if you like to see more of this. And if you're on Twitch, hit the follow button so that you can follow me for the next stream on Thursday. Thursday we are going to have a look at the Office add-ins again. Continue with that, trying to get the Blazor environment working for the ribbon buttons. The timing of the loading of the ribbon is kind of peculiar if you have the Blazor interface there. Apparently the loading time of the Blazor engine is a little bit strange timed. So we're going to have another look at that next Thursday. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.